Perspectives.
Trump tariffs, jobs data, and April volatility. What to expect this week. Welcome back to Anafram Market Perspectives. If you're joining us for the first time, hit subscribe and turn on your alerts, because this week, markets are kicking off April with tension, risk, and opportunity. Let's walk through what's moving the market this Monday and what could shape sentiment through the week. Markets at the open, Monday, March 31st. Futures are flashing red to start the week. S&P 500 down 0.7%, Dow Jones down 0.4, NASDAQ down just over 1%. The tone is cautious. Investors are adjusting as trade tensions return and key labor data approaches. What's moving the market meta is down more than 4% after renewed pressure from Europe on digital service taxes. Tech rotation is back. Alphabet is also sliding nearly 5% as global regulators hint at retaliatory tariffs on digital platforms. Tesla is down 3.5%, losing last week's gains as volatility persists. Nvidia is weaker, along with the chip sector, still reeling from China's tech crackdown and the CoreWeave IPO miss. Bank of America and Wells Fargo lead financials lower. Energy stocks are flat, supported by geopolitical risk. The 10-year Treasury yield remains near 4.21%. No panic, but no relief either. Mood check. This is a defensive, reactive market. Expect sharp swings on any headline tied to tariffs, inflation, or jobs. Spotlight. Trump's tariff timeline. April 2nd and 3rd could mark a turning point in global trade. April 2nd. Liberation Day. Trump is expected to announce reciprocal tariffs on countries restricting U.S. goods. April 3rd, the 25% tariff on all auto imports goes live. Exemptions for Canadian and Mexican products will end, affecting lumber, copper, and pharmaceuticals. Trump is also hinting at secondary sanctions on Russian oil and military action if Iran talks collapse. Market impact. Expect sharp moves in industrials, energy, and materials. Defensive sectors could outperform. Economic calendar, what to watch this week. Here's what to look for from March 31st to April 5th. Monday, Chicago PMI is expected at 45.5, still contraction territory. Later, China's Caixin PMI and Japan's Tankan surveys could influence Tuesday's open. Tuesday, Eurozone CPI will shape ECB policy expectations. U.S. ISM Manufacturing and JOLTS job openings will guide rate sentiment and cyclicals. Wednesday, ADP payrolls are expected to rise by 118,000. Factory orders will give a clearer read on manufacturing demand. Thursday, initial jobless claims will offer more labor market insight. OPEC's meeting could drive oil and energy names. Friday, non-farm payrolls are forecast at 139,000, with unemployment holding at 4.1%. Canada's employment report is due at the same time. Watch currency and Canadian equities. Earnings to watch. Weekly themes. Monday, PVH gives a pulse on global fashion. Lufax and Polestar offer signals from China's fintech and EV landscape. Progress Software shows how enterprise IT budgets are holding. Tuesday, Ncino updates on cloud banking and AI. NovaGold could signal demand for precious metals as a hedge. Sportsman's Warehouse reflects retail resilience under rate pressure. Wednesday, Restoration Hardware will test high-end retail tied to housing. BlackBerry and UniFirst provide reads on cybersecurity and labor trends. Thursday, Constellation Brands and Conagra show how staples are handling inflation. Guess and Acuity reveal insights on retail and industrial demand. Lamb Weston rounds out the day with global food pricing trends. Friday, Greenbrier gauges rail and infrastructure health. Chorus Entertainment weighs in on media and ad market conditions. Bonus section, ETF and stock picks. ETF Spotlight, VanEck Semiconductor. ETF semiconductors remain under pressure. Price sits under the Ichimoku cloud. MACD is negative and building. Down over 5% last week, near support around 210 verdict. Stay on the sidelines. Wait for geopolitical clarity or technical reversal. Stock pick 1, Tesla closed at 263.50. Trading in the cloud, trend indecision. MAC is flat but stabilizing. Setup: if sentiment turns positive, Tesla could rebound to the 290 to 300 range. Verdict, high risk, high reward, best for active traders. Stock pick 2, RH Restoration, hardware closed at 236. Testing Ichimoku resistance. Masikidi is flat, possible base forming. Setup, a strong earnings report could drive a breakout above 245. Verdict, swing trade potential if guidance impresses. Final takeaways. Trade policy is taking center stage. Trump's tariffs may reshape market leadership. Labu and inflation data will steer rate expectations. Stay flexible. Tech and semis are vulnerable, but reversal setups may emerge. Defensive, staples, and energy names could lead if risk-off sentiment deepens. Let us know what you're watching this week. Are you bracing for more volatility or positioning for a bounce? Join us Friday for the Anafram Market Recap. Market reactions to tariffs and payrolls. The week's biggest winners and losers. 2 new trade ideas heading into mid-April. Thanks for tuning in. This is Anafram Market Perspectives. Stay informed, stay strategic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe and share this with others. See you next time on Anafram Market Perspectives.